can see my garden bed with purslane, plenty of them. This is also called pigweed, little hogweed or purslane. It's very nutritious and has been used as a medicine since centuries ago. You can see the yellow flowers there. It's a succulent. It's got thick leaves. All the parts are edible. The stem, the leaf, the seeds, the flower. It's a superfood and can be cooked in many ways. It can be used in soups, salads, making omelette, dressings, smoothies. Today I'll be making a dish with some dals. That's an Indian way of cooking it. Hello friends. Today I'm back with a new recipe. This is a herb found in my garden. It's a very medicinal herb found in India, South Asia, and many other parts of Asia. This is used as medicine for many centuries ago. Even now it is cooked as a vegetable. You can eat it as a salad, soup, stir fry, or add it with lentils or dals and cook it. So this is very medicinal. Here I got some from my garden. I cleaned it. I removed the thick stems and just the leaves. Now I'm going to add some salt, and some turmeric powder, and allow it to soak for an hour to remove all the dirt and the soil, and then we'll see how we cook this. This will have lots of dirt, so I'm just allowing it to soak, and then wash it for 2-3 times to remove all the dirt. We'll leave it for an hour or so. So here in the pressure cooker I have taken some moong dal or moong beans and some chickpea or tur dal, just a handful of each, and I am going to pressure cook it. So after that I have a pan here. We'll make the seasoning. For the seasoning I am taking some mustard and allowing it to crackle. This purslane is very rich in with vitamin A, B, C, E, D. It's also rich in calcium, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc and potassium, and also iron. So here the mustard are crackling. I have taken coconut oil. It's very tasty. So this purslane has got 7 times more beta carotene than the carrots. Here I am adding some asafoetida. This is how we season the Indian dishes. Here I am adding some cumin seeds, about 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, and some dried red chilies. Again I am adding some asafoetida. When you are cooking some dal, you definitely have to add this asafoetida. Here I am adding some chopped onions. And coming to the purslane, This has got 6 times more vitamin E than spinach, 5 times more omega-3 fatty acid than spinach. So you can see it's a great superfood for us. I'm sauteing the onions. As you know, we can use all the parts of the plant, the stem, the leaf, the flower and the seed. So it's a very great superfood. So we Indians cook it with dal. Also we can add it to omelets, or we can make dosa, that is pancakes. We can add it in soups, salads, or in dressings. It is rich in antioxidant, which reduces the chances of strokes and heart disease. Here I am adding 1 chopped tomato. I added 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, and this is 1 tomato, finely chopped. I'm adding some salt. This purslane is widely grown as a weed. Here I'm adding some turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt according to your taste. This weed grows all around North America, in India, many parts of Asia, South Asia. It is similar to another plant which is very toxic. So while picking up, you need to be very, very careful. You can just identify the two of them by breaking the stem. If you get a milky substance, that is not purslane. Here I have chopped the purslane after washing it. I'm adding some turmeric powder and allowing it to cook. So as I was telling, this is a succulent. The leaves are thick. Here you can see I am adding the boiled and mashed dals along with some water. Just give it a good mix and allow it to cook. So if you have this purslane in your garden, just break the stem and see if you get a milky substance like sap. That is not purslane. So you have to identify it properly, otherwise it becomes toxic. I have added some more water. So I would like it in a gravy form. So that is why I am adding water. If you want it thick, so just remove or evaporate the water and then you can relish the dish. So it will take about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. So this dish can be had with rice, chapatis or rotis, Indian tortilla. So now here you see I am adding the seasoning that we seasoned in the beginning. Add it to it and let them boil for another 10 minutes. So you can see the superfood. It's very, very rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Removes free radicals from the body. So you can use it twice or thrice a week if you have it in your garden. Just pluck it and add it to anything you are making. I do the same whenever I am getting a chance, whether I am making dosa or chapati or roti or soups or salads or dals, I just add it to them. I have about 6 to 7 herbs or leafy vegetables, as you can call, in my garden. I didn't plant them, it just came on its own. So I use it often in my dishes. So here you can see the dal and the vegetable, the leaves are boiling nicely. It's a very, very healthy superfood, nutritious. I'm just getting plenty of them in my garden. It just grows everywhere. No need to plant them. It grows on its own. So it is almost done. This leaf is available in the markets in India. They sell it as a leafy vegetable. In the US, you can get it in the Indian stores. They do sell it sometimes. But for me, it is available in my garden, so I'm using it. So now the juice of the leaves is blending with the dal and the masala, the seasoning. So it is very tasty. Please do try this Indian traditional dish. Serve it with rice or chapati or roti or Indian tortilla. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Share it with your friends, family, and do try this recipe if you have this weed in your garden. Let me know how you like it. And please motivate me by subscribing to my channel, My Healthy Options. Help me to gain subscribers. I'll see you in a next video with a new recipe. Till then, goodbye and thank you for watching.